If you want to save time in Gamma and reuse the same layout without rebuilding everything from scratch, duplicating a card is one of the easiest tricks you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a card in Gamma app in just a few seconds, so you can copy designs, keep your workflow moving, and build presentations faster. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma presentation and go to the project where your card is located. Once you're inside the presentation, take a moment to find the exact card you want to copy. This could be a text card, a layout card, a content block, or any section that you want to reuse elsewhere in the deck. The nice thing about Gamma is that it makes content modular, so once you learn how to duplicate cards, you can speed up your entire presentation workflow. Now move your mouse over the card you want to duplicate. As soon as you hover over it, Gamma will reveal the card controls and quick actions. Depending on your layout, you may see options appear on the card itself, usually near the corner or along the edge. Look for the three-dot menu, which is also known as the card options menu. This menu gives you more actions for managing that specific card. Click the three-dot menu to open the list of available actions. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Duplicate. This is the command you want because it creates an exact copy of the card, including its design, structure, and content. Go ahead and click Duplicate. Once you click it, Gamma will instantly create a copy of the card and place it in your presentation. In many cases, the duplicate will appear right next to the original card or directly below it, depending on the layout you're using. From there, you can edit the new card however you want. You can change the text, swap the image, update the formatting or keep the same design and use it in another section of your presentation. This is especially useful if you are building slides with repeated sections, similar callouts, consistent visual styles, or a sequence of cards that need the same structure. Instead of manually recreating everything, duplication lets you preserve the original formatting and make small changes much faster. It's one of the best ways to work efficiently inside Gamma. If you don't see the duplicate option right away, just make sure your cursor is actually over the card and not outside the active area. Sometimes the controls only appear when the card is selected or fully hovered. If needed, click the card once to activate it, then open the three-dot menu again and choose Duplicate. After duplicating, you can drag the new card to a different position if you want to reorganize your presentation. You can also duplicate multiple cards one by one if you need several similar sections. The process stays the same each time. Open the presentation, find the card, hover over it, click the three-dot menu, and choose Duplicate. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a card in Gamma app. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're building presentations, editing layouts, or reusing content across multiple sections. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.